Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Baby Ortega. I am 29 years old and single. I have two daughters, ages 10 and 12 years old. I finished a vocational course in bread and pastry production in TESDA NC2.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have two brothers and three sisters, and I am the eldest in the sibling.
Okay, do you have any experience as a housemaid?
I have experience in a housemaid from March 2018 until April 2026. My duties include cooking, cleaning, and I also do car washing and going to the market. Also, I bake customized cakes, cookies, brownies, and I also do Filipino dishes.
And then, how many members in the family did you take care?
There are 4 members in the family, including child ages 3 to 7 years old and a couple.
You're the only helper in your employer house?
Yes.
Okay. So, do you know how to take care of newborn baby?
Yes.
If the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I will check the diaper. And second, I will try to sing a lullaby. And lastly, take a temperature.
Okay, do you know how to shower the baby?
Yes.
What do you need to prepare?
Lukewarm water, soap, and
Yes, okay. What do you need to be careful?
I'll need to wash the mouth, the eyes, and the nose.
Okay. Do you have a long patience for naughty children?
Yes,
Okay, do you know how to read in book stories?
I do.
Okay, why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
To support my kids and my family.
Who will take care of your daughter when you work there?
My mom will take care of my kids.
Okay, if the baby or children is sick, what will you do?
Check the temperature and tell my employer to take the baby to the hospital.
Okay, are you scared dogs and cats?
No.
Do you have any allergy?
No.
If ever your employer wants you to do car washing without extra pay, are you okay?
Yes, I am fine.
Okay, do you love cooking?
Yes, I do.
Can you rate yourself in cooking? It's good or excellent?
Average.
Okay, so usually, what food did you cook in your previous employer?
Filipino dishes like adobo, lumpia, pancit bihon.
But are you willing to cook Chinese food?
Yes, I am willing to learn Chinese food.
Can you accept Lodiok but will pay by your employer?
Yes.
Can you sing a nursery song for the baby?
Yes.
Can you sing now?
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down.
Okay, thank you. So in Hong Kong, if ever your employer has an elderly in your employer house, are you willing to take care, good, and assist them all their needs? Are you okay?
Yes, I am okay with that.
So which is your tattoo?
On my both arms and
Okay, that's the only tattoo that is visible?
yes.
Okay. So lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
To employers, I am honest, responsible, thoughtful, generous, and I will complete my 2 years contract.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.
Thank you.